choices.
Oh.
So we're just waiting for everyone to pick a choice.
Oh. Pikachu. Gamer rapid.
Oh, there we go. It's a warrior. A warrior heavy.
Tawa ko pa na.
Tapos ng dex mo?
Ano yun, Dex?
Dex is your agility and speed. It's how fast you are in the turn order. It's also your chances to dodge. And usually what characters like you would use.
Wait lang, hello. Babalik mo na ako mga 11:30.
11.
Okay, umaga? Okay. Ano yung health ni Hansel? Percentage?
Minsan ganyan eh.
Grabe.
Ano yan? Parang
I have 32.599999999999.
Your turn.
Grabe namang line.
Are you fighting a rock?
rock hit me. Oh. It's a bad words to me. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but goddamn my groin.
No more babies.
No. Wag ako!
Ow!
Matang ka ba? Bakit kinasilulan?
Eh, hindi ko alam.
Me.
Ano ka ba,
Me
Cheska?
turn.
Ha?
Ano ka ka?
Daw. Nakayong class pa daw. Ano?
Nice.
Ano?
Classes sa Monday.
Hindi, si Captain.
Ayoko. Ayoko po mag-klase. Ayoko. Masyado pa ako masaya.
Ano mo?
Yes, it's back to
Ano
reality.
sabi mo, Denise?
Ayaw niya pa magklase eh.
Ganda mo.
Tama.
Kaida.
Ha? Ay ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit ako? Wag ako, sabi ko.
You stole your money.
Wait, what? Yo. Okay. Oh, patay.
No!
Mm,
Sinarget si
Patay.
Cheska.
Ano ba yan? Sabi ko, wag ako eh.
oh, dodge. Sidestep.
Eh, tingin mo ba? Pag nag-necromancer ka, kaya iniiwan yung mga Philips, baka i-revive mo sila.
No.
Where's my money? Oh.
Hell no. I don't know if we can resuscitate her. This is so bad. Gusto mo redo? Gusto mo redo?
Eh? Ka.
Oh,
Okay, try natin.
come on.
Ayaw revive siya.
Try i-revive. Or leave tapos revive.
Tinong ko sa sa wiki. Baka kasi wala na niya.
Sino mo?
Shit, maling target. Maling target.
It lived another day.
Oh.
Ano pwede ko i-guard eh? Kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him.
Kill them. Kill them all. Kill.
Kill. Walang AO dito.
Meron.
Pero maya
It's
maya.
higher levels though.
Kill.
Ow!
You're gonna die.
Bitch!
Kill the pebble. Kill it.
Did that arrow just go sideways?
Di ba yan fire
Wrong.
resistant? Okay.
Apparently not.
Good.
You can burn rock.
Ta-da!
Yay.
Is she alive?
Ako mahanap na description for
Nope.
necromancer.
Ito, less metal scrap.
Oh, wala siya dito.
Okay, do you want your rats?
Rats? Yes, sir.
Paano?
Rats.
Natataas ba yung HP?
Yeah.
You're dead.
May isa akong po. Ito na natataas ko.
Buhay mo.
Saan dito? Back.
Wala, patay ka na. Sabi mo kung gusto mong restart tayo. Kakastart lang naman din natin. Pwede naman. Diba?
Restart.
Yeah. All in favor say seppuku.
Oh, I already left.
Okay. Right.
Ganito pala tayo mag-DMD pala.
Sir.
Nice. Hindi sa inyo.
Naglolo ko yung aking never mind. Let's see.
Ano na diyan?
Hello?
Hello.
Ay, nag-training pala yung kami playtime chapter 5. Also, look! Oh, wait. Look! Ta-da! Look,
Wow.
look.
That's hot. Sriracha. May. Wow.
Sriracha mayo or something. I don't know. I'll taste it. I don't know if it's good or not.
Alright. Look at that.
Wait, facial!
Facial.
Say shout?
Zian, mag-join ka na ba?
Join na ba ako? Tanong ko sa inyo.
Join ka na, wala kang healer.
Delikado si Jessica.
Delikado si Jessica. Oh no!
Ano yung HP dito? Ano nakalagay?
Dex. Hindi pala Dex.
HP is cons.
Constitution. Yes. Any party. Oh.
Hello. Ade, roleplay tayo. Punta tayo sa punta tayo sa seats.
Oh, wait.
You what?
You're looking for a warrior.
Looking for yes.
Looking for a
I'm
ball.
finding a team that can withstand. I go close to your face. A dragon. Willing to face.
What?
Goes to your face again. A dragon.
Fight.
Because this is Dungeons. Goes to your face. And dragon.
Wow.
Tell me, where can we find this dragon?
We can find a dragon in a cave called the
What cave?
Dragon Slayer. They say this dragon hoards money and likes feeble little
Drag.
weaklings. these nuts. Say in the darkest of nights, the dragon will come out and feast on the
nuts?
younglings. And this dragon grows stronger by the second, and if we don't stop it now, this dragon will kill all of us.
Why are you saying the dragon like it's a slur?
Dragon!
Oh my god. Okay, saan ako pupunta? Interact?
Oh, punta ka muna dito sa ano, sa mirror. And then upgrade mo yung skill tree mo.
Wala, anong pangalan
Oh, yeah.
mo?
Babish.
Belish.
Oh, I can change my face. Wow.
Accept, thank you. Today, mate.
Good eye.
Okay,
Yummy.
upgrade ko na.
Oh, ano? Matan si Yami.
Hala, oo nga, Black Balls na.
Gitna na sila.
Ay, Yami nga.
Magiging ano talaga siya. Tangke na yun.
Yay.
Ian,
Oh my God.
Oh.
you good na?
Share ko lang. Tawa ko kanina. Okay. Because the thing is, kanina, of course, nag-summer party dito yung mga kaibigan ni na ng kapatid ko. And they're like, nagluto sila ng hotdog. Eh, yung hotdog namin is yung hotdog sa SNR. Alam mo kung ilan yung niluto nila? 7.
Hotdog?
3 lang sila.
What?
Oh my God.
I don't-
Dalawa. Tapos may isa magtatatlo. Easy.
May ano?
First person ka.
No, the hot dogs were big kasi
Damn.
So,
anyway, it's fine I guess. Sabihin ko lang. Okay. Saan na nga tayo
Yeah.
pupunta?
Skill tree mo, na ano mo na.
Okay. Let's go.
Wait, wait, why is... Can I have hair?
No.
Take your character. If you want here.
How do you put hair?
Sa ano, avatar mo talaga.
Okay, so I need to leave muna.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ang kulit eh, wait lang.
Ang problema, 5 lang to.
Yun lang.
Yeah, okay lang.
oh, what?
Go lang.
Kalbo nga si Ring. Kalbo nga si Les eh.
Cool.
Wait,
Dian, hindi ka na
Kalbo nga
magiging
yung
the great. Dian, di ka na magiging ano, the great bold white.
The Great White Slay.
Wait, no, I have hair.
I guess it just doesn't work in this.
Di ata sinusupport. Sure ka hair yan or accessory?
I think it's the
Hair.
hat. I think the hair comes from the hat. Can you remove the hat?
Yeah. I do
Okay.
have the hair.
I-leave mo yung hair, pero tanggalin mo lang yung hat.
Okay, there we go.
Then,
CCTV.
join.
Do I have the hair?
Yes! You have hair now.
Wig! Holy shit, let's go!
Change the color.
I'm fine. How do you change the color? Oh, here.
Here.
Wala pa sa kawa PUP, wala man ng break talaga.
Walang break.
Cut to. Wait, sorry.
Nandito na ako.
Okay.
I bakit Priest 0 pa rin ako? Oh.
Yung, na-upgrade mo ba? Like, bumili ka ba ng stuff? Prestige?
Wait lang, where is Prestige?
Punta ka sa skill 3, may makikita ka mabibiling prestige for 20.
You don't need to prestige. You can just play the game and then kung anong makuha mo.
Okay, because I don't
you
want to
upgrade
buy. I don't want.
Pero meron kang
yet.
meron kang like naka-parenthesis na prestige na or like number sa taas.
I have Prestige 2.
Okay, pwede mo i-allocate yan sa mga stats. So, you start from the top and then pag level 2 or level 3 na yun, pwede mo na yung next level sa baba.
Okay. Nagawa ko na.
Yan, ganun siya. Okay.
Oh.
We start our journey today with 5 feeble campaigners. We got 5 average guys, the average, ready to fight the wonders of the world. They're probably gonna die in a few chapters, but hear me out. It was a great story. They arrive at a few rats. Now you look like an actual priest with a fake hair.
Yes. My hair looks fake though. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I rolled bad on the initiative. What the heck?
Oh.
Okay, so my thoughts on the Dane's sriracha mayo. It's actually nice. It's not that maanghang.
Okay.
Bolto.
Fireball. Yeah.
Wait, ano yung mga classes natin?
We have everything except for the monk.
NDS. No, that's the monk.
Ka pala.
That's just the monk. We have a warrior
The
tank
rogue. I think the rogue.
ready to strike and shield everyone. A monk fisting and multiple hitting when the time comes. A mage with firepower. Archer with striking abilities and crits. And then the priest, the almighty priest, able to heal up everyone.
The white priest. The not racist white priest.
I'll die.
Not racist. The gay white priest.
The homo white priest. Reverend Zian, what's your...
Yeah, we should have titles. The Reverend Ian. You can call me the Archrain.
Very good.
Bolto.
Nag-isip ako.
No,
I am
no.
Maybe
I am
Sage
the
Rain.
child shooter.
Rain, stop. You need to be named The Rain.
Dore. Okay, I'm Dore now. I am on half.
Health? Are
Agad?
you on half health?
Kalahati
Yes,
ka.
I have the least amount of HP. Remember, I am the frail old scholar.
I am the very fast and lucky. Natawag na po yung kanina.
I think that was the wrong rat.
Oh. Oh, wrong rat.
No, it's the right rat. The rats.
I mean, it's still a rat. So,
The palm is.
A rat's a rat.
That's true.
And this rated E for everyone. I mean,
pasabi na lang if you like heals or something.
no. Monk.
SNR, did you say you wanted heels?
No, I didn't.
I was just making the joke like, I don't have heels. God's hand.
Yay!
Who wants a rat hat? I can't.
Rat eye. Rat eye. Pengi metal tsaka cloth. Ay, cloth pala yun. Leather.
Can I
Here
have,
are logs
Guys,
already.
my
We already got
Can you
logs.
cloth?
anybody has a rat eye? Hey, can I have one? That's it. Thank you.
Guys, pag may cloth, akin yun na.
Uh,
Kailangan ko ng
Oo, ako na
cloth.
lang.
hide, right? Rat hide? Or cloth lang?
Anong
Cloth. Ako yung
para
cloth.
sa akin?
Pengi rat hide. Sino may rat hide pa?
Ano ba stats mo?
Pang clicks.
Dex and STR strength.
SPD?
Ayun, yun yung ano mo. Yung stats na
Ano?
kailangan mo. Strength and dex.
I mean,
Strength,
Press
strength
mo
yung,
Defend.
yung attacks mo, yung damage mo. Dex is, depende.
Dex yung kailangan niya, so okay. Kunin mo to.
Sa
Ano?
you, less yung mga metal
Yeah.
parts.
Akin
Ako,
yung
ang
cloth.
kailangan ko rin is yung mga
Who wants this?
Kapag yung sa GC.
rock fragment. I'll take it.
Okay.
Oh.
meron akong rat hide pa.
Oh girl, wala na akong laman.
Okay na ako.
Wait, points.
Your invest points.
Yes.
Investment.
Investment.
Alright, rat.
I'm full sending intelligence. I'm just the smart guy with flimsy wood. Flimsy hands, flimsy stuff.
Sino yung hindi pa nag-ready? Mag-ready na.
Wait, Jessica, kunin mo yun, oh. Rat hide boots.
Sa akin nga yun.
Oh, bakit?
Kung hindi mo kunin.
Pinitin mo. Imbis na transfer. Just
Pinaanap ko nga eh.
click mo lang yung name.
Sabi ko, ba't empty nakalagay sa boots ko?
Already have Faye.
Doon pala.
Faye! Hindi, come here, my love. Come here.
Assault
Everyone,
naman na lang. Assault.
Ay, nasa...
Kaya mo. Mamaya na lang, pag nakita na siya ulit, let's assault.
Oh, I wasn't. You wanna read it?
Give. Hey, have you come to explore this wondrous part of the forest too? I seek out areas like this wherever I go. Can teach you my ways if you wish to learn.
Ang ingay naman ng ano.
Ingay ng malibog yan.
Yeah.
Sino si Foxam?
Me.
Fox. Oh, you wanna fox some?
Bitch.
Sino pinakamaraming goblin? Kill the rat.
Okay, we got 2 subclasses now.
Warrior pa rin ako.
Hindi ka
Wait,
nag-select
am I
ng ano?
winking? Oh my god, I didn't know
wala
I'm
pa.
winking.
Alam mo? Hindi ako please.
Homosexualist.
Imbes na looking at some good children, you're looking at good men.
Look at that
Look
good
at-
man.
Look at these apostles.
No, look at the bandit. He's titles of the bandit.
Alam mo?
Hey,
Hey,
bandit. Hey, bandit. What's up, babe?
Ay, nalampal abusado.
Hey bandit, let me convert you to my beliefs.
Let me convert you to INC.
Uy, no.
Ay!
Kumante.
Oh, ayan.
What the hell?
Hindi.
What are you talking about? This is not what you believe.
Siya. Saying the words of the Lord.
Asan ka?
Hindi
Ano
ba
si
this round
ano?
natin yung ano? Yung warrior? Di ba? Last
Ito,
round.
sorry?
Last round yun. Yung ano, wala
Okay. I see. My pause. My brain wasn't like it used to. I used to remember a lot of things. But now, not so much.
Oo, itataas yung health ng ano, ng boss mo kaya.
Now. Oh,
you got
Oh, did it take money from me?
Yeah.
no, you're dying. Kill yourself.
Nakawag ka na ng pera. Tapos,
Oh.
inaway.
Nakawan ng pera, lagyan ng rabbit. Sinaksak pa.
Heal yourself.
Galing.
Wait, ano yung focus? Napindot ka.
You get stamina from that.
Okay, I see. Para next.
Usually focus kapag may ibang like onti na lang enemy o kailangan mo na stamina. May kailangan kang or like naproprotektahan ka na ba ng ilang tao. Usually you won't do the focusing. You'll do the shielding so everyone else can focus.
Wait, rest muna tayo after this.
Sige. Unless I see we're not resting. Flee. Oh, the loot! No!
No, it's too funny. Kill this, again. Bandit. I'm weak. Oh, what nangyari doon?
Boogs.
Oh,
Oh, dodge.
Dodge.
Engage. Actually, we might need to go rest. Pero onti heal kada ano eh. So, yung rest kasi long rest yun. Yung other rest is long.
We need like a healing type of rest.
Lahat naman ng rest is mas malaki lang yung healing kapag ginawa siyang encounter. Ang problema lang doon is mamimiss natin yung ibang mga special na encounters.
Let's go.
Oh, wait.
Sino?
The drop kick ko. Next round, I think meron tayong next abilities. May interesting na.
Paunahan, sino magkaka-ability? Metal tsaka leather.
Common pebble.
Metal scrap, hairless.
Metal scrap, hairless, rat hide. Sino kailangan ng rock fragments? Para kanino yun?
I can make a gem.
Nawala yung scrap.
Gem? Anong gagawin mo sa gemstone?
Wala yung scrap.
Pang staff ata ni Rin eh.
Hindi ko na scrap ko.
Yung
5 years dito.
Okay. Wala.
may kumuha ng
Go.
ng scrap mo. Oh.
Scrap?
Buko niya man pick up.
Metal scraps.
Somebody took my scraps.
Kailangan ko ng isang leather.
Putok na eh.
Someone is stealing among us. Try to find who it is.
I can't make anything.
May rat hide kayo?
Okay.
Wala.
Pero gagamitin ko siya.
Okay lang naman.
Okay naman.
Salamat na lang sa nagbigay. Hindi ako yung nagtanggap.
Ay, yung kailangan
May
ko
rat
is,
ako kaya. Kailangan nyo ba?
Hindi at the moment.
ako kailangan ko ng honey apple. Tapos, kapag may granny patayin natin yung gagawin mo.
Oh, yoy.
May metal scrap ako. Kailangan mo ba?
Okay naman si Gran.
Isa.
Ayun, may metal scrap
Would you
ulit.
do that?
Ayaw kumuha na na.
Hindi.
Okay.
New dream.
Log. Kailangan nyo ba ng log?
Kay Steph yung log.
Ha?
Nasa din yung log.
It makes you a bow.
Hindi kaya.
It does. It can.
Ay, longbow. Pero mas maganda yung Elvish.
Okay.
What? Yung ability ako?
Wait ko.
Give me the alag then. It's mine. I
Ano
love
kailangan
it.
mo sa Elvish bow?
Leather
Tapos,
and metal.
Ah.
okay. Ilan yung metal
Ah.
Bawa na
Dalawa.
lang.
Dalawa. Kinuha niyo.
Tagal niyo guys ah.
Ah.
Pero kung metal sa kanina, huwag ka nag-iiba ako.
Sige, sa'yo na
Wala akong leather, wala akong leather.
Guys. Let's not fight. For now.
Kunin mo yung metal straw mo para
Kunin mo na lahat.
Kunin mo na.
Fine.
Huwag kayo
Kami kumuha.
guys.
Alright na ako.
Day 1. Oh, good job. Oh,
Help!
yung strange.
Where am I put? Oh, let me get this.
Help!
No. Yay! Yes.
No!
Thanks very much.
Yay.
Screw you.
A man sits alone looking out in the forest. A lord sits beside him. Hello there, travelers. The man says with a thunderous voice. Oh,
There's
we don't get many of those around here.
Oh, eto, Rampager.
So,
Thank you.
Rampaja.
You know,
Confusion. Oh my god, what is that priest?
What priest?
Look at my mouth!
yeah, you help mo.
Tingnan niyo yung health ko, guys. What the hell?
Oh, wow.
Buti ka na one hit.
Damn. Ele. Ano yung crit yun?
Damn, okay.
Damn.
May ganun.
Oh my god, I have Bane now.
Yay!
Yay!
Ito, kalaban ni Batman.
Sige.
I can run.
Nice.
Oh,
Kung mababa na HP.
sino masakit dito?
Masakit
Yung spider.
Parang bandit.
Yung spider kasi ni poison.
Yeah, pero sumasabog ka sa bandit.
Ay, tama.
Gawin mo nga yun.
Touch in 3 turns.
Yeah!
Manis eh.
I can feel the nature within. Ayun, okay na HP.
Ooh.
Oh,
No! Oh,
That
let's
was nice.
go! I
Yun
got
lang.
kicked in the nuts.
The one dying is... I think Cian.
is it me?
No, it's the rat.
Oh.
Somebody killed.
Fireball.
The rat.
Oh,
I see
nice.
Chesta pala.
Nature.
Wait, meron akong turn. Okay. Oh, okay. What happens here? You're right. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Can I have it next?
Ikaw?
After 3 turns. Pag 3 turns na.
Ay, after 3 turns pa to, wala akong wala akong all kill eh. Wala pa akong burst. Sorry. Mamaya.
Let's go.
You gone.
Bandit.
It's gonna kill me.
Oh.
Beautiful.
He got sexual harassed by a spider.
Oh,
Sino na lang next?
Uh,
Cheska, ikaw na. Step. Ako na. Set cooldown talaga, oh. Ay, Diyos ko.
Yun lang.
Sorry. I can take it. masakit?
Either the spider or the
Yung
bandit.
spider.
Okay. Spider split. Never mind, it's not that dodge. Ah.
Alright, I got it.
You dodged.
Oh, what the
You
heck?
did not dodge it. Oh!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
This bandit.
Oh!
Okay, we need a rest.
Sino low health sa kanya? Spider?
Spider.
Dodge ba niya yan?
Nope. they're not.
Na-dodge ka ba?
Di naman.
Anong kay bandit? Yan. Visit yan eh. Wait lang. This
Nireject
bitch.
na kanina.
Nireject. Sinaksak.
No.
Pinoy son. Oh my god.
Nag-crit.
One shot, one kill.
Last hit. Don't dodge. You can dodge your bone. Your rock.
Oh my god, not the one person. Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Yeah.
Burn.
Hey,
Okay, we need to heal.
I need leather.
I don't need this or this.
Akin to.
kunin ko yung rat.
Kunin niyo yung metal scrap. Transfer.
Kunin mo to. Oh. May metal
Just
scrap
I
din
think
ako.
need mo yung hand drops. Kasi fish yun eh. Wala mo yung spider.
Yung ano?
Mag-craft ka ng spiderling hand drops. Dalawang spiders yun.
Spider. Huh? Hand wraps. Kulang pa ng isang spider still. Okay. Ginagawa dito.
Para kasi
Ah.
may para kasi kamay mo. May phone ganun.
Ayun ako.
Spider set.
Are we resting?
No, I don't think we're resting.
Sino gusto ng sword?
Ikaw lang yung pwede
Ikaw lang.
mag-sword.
Sorry.
Okay.
Itang.
How many rat eyes do you need, Cheska? Pwede
Saan?
mag-share. Gusto ko.
Ano ba ito gagawin ko? Isang spider silk pa. Wait lang. May boots na ba ako meron? What is this? Oh, Dex 5. Oh, tatlong spider silk. Hindi ko kailangan nito. Nag-cope na ba ako? Dex 4.
Ay, napanood mo na yung yung has-been.
Oo, nabalik na yung episode.
No.
Tatlong
Ang ganda yung kanta ni
ano?
Yung kanta ni... Ano ba yan?
May hood na ako.
Let's look na yung...
Meron dong
Hide.
meron dong isang leaker na
Wow,
pangit
isa
daw
lang.
yung supposedly
Okay.
storyline daw.
Okay.
Pero hindi pa gano'n sure kung reliable yung leaker na to. Gusto marinig?
Mamaya muna.
Siyan, Druid!
So we're not resting?
There's walang rest.
That's what the sword in stone does.
November 3, ano meron?
Wait,
I think particularly,
A strange man,
Maybe
he
after
sits
you
among the
see-
woodland animals. What will you do?
Ano?
Is that a big bear?
yata tayo si...
Ito na yung
Yes.
druid. Hail, what brings you to my grove? The man says in a
Hail.
calm tone.
What brings you to my grave?
You ask for guidance. Ah, yes, the teaching of my grove are old. Inclination for such work. Come,
What? Pog!
I'll teach you what I know. The druid says, eager to begin the lesson. What the fuck?
Pampo. Sige, wait lang.
The man
Praise
gives
the
Oh, there
druid.
you
a
go.
lecture on how to properly utilize nature's energy. At the end of his speech, he asks you if you want to swear an oath to protect the forest for power. Zian swears the
Ayaw.
oath.
Paano ba yung mag-swear? Ang tagal. Free hugging become...
Ayun na. Bro, na si Zian.
Yippee!
Wow!
Yay!
Congratulations.
Got a healing!
Or damage. I
Wala na
don't know.
tayong healing?
Can you...
Oh shit.
No. You still have healing. Can you turn into an animal?
Oh, wait. Let me see. Wait lang.
Or can you only summon an animal?
Dito, yung B.
Bilisan
Hindi
mo!
mo remembrance is yan.
Oh, yung ton.
Remembrance na ako! Fuck yeah!
Remembrance na siya. Mana Surge.
Okay, here we go. Ooh!
Well, what do you see? What new thing do you
Ang
see?
dami, holy shit, wait.
Oh my god!
Summon animal companion!
Wow! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Daming bear.
I can do you one better.
Yung mga summoner na to. Ayun, binugbog.
Oh, we can thank for us.
Yeah.
Is it
Yan.
poison?
Ako,
Boulder
I
dog.
mean, there's a lot of choices.
Rat.
Dalawang remembrance team na pala to.
Remembrance
Hello.
team!
Si ano, si Hyacinth at saka si ano.
Certified remembrance healing na si
Wow.
Zian.
Big!
Wow!
Let's go! This is like, I'm Hyacinth technically.
Si Ika!
Little Ika. This is Little Ika. No, this is me. This is ano, Little Ursa. Little Ursa. There you go.
Little Ursa. What you naming the Fey Wisp?
I don't know. Hindi mo yun akin.
So, what you naming it?
Steph, what you're naming it? I'm naming mine as Little Ursa.
I name it Sparkle. Sparkle.
The what? Sparkle?
Just Sparkle lang.
Okay.
Hanabi.
Sparkle. Let's go. Nakanina na ba?
More or less.
Oh, it's mine. Yung.
Wait, what does the druid need pa ba?
I think just Fate.
Probably Fate.
Yeah. Fate is
Gusto
your
mo?
damage.
Wait lang what is nature's gift? Is it healing? Oh, it is.
Hmm.
Heals.
What does hover on the effect? What does it do?
It says heals a blank, heals a percentage of your max health each turn. Ah!
Oh, it's regeneration.
Oh.
Nice.
Regen!
I'm Eugen.
Regen!
Oh,
Yeah.
kind of dying there though.
Yeah.
Babombahin niya ako.
Yeah, okay.
Babombayin si Tisco.
Oh, yikes.
My baby Hera. Wait, I have... Wait lang
Kill the bee, please. Dami.
I saw
We really need to get armor thus.
Call of the Wild.
May armor na ako.
What's
nice,
Call
nice.
of the Wild?
I have a helmet and a chest.
Call of the Wild. Try it.
Tried it. I don't... Fae of the Wisp na. Maybe Call of the Wild. I don't know what that's it.
Hmm. We can read
Whether
after
like the
the
OT.
round.
I'll read it later.
Hmm.
Dami.
The problem with casters is there's a lot of strategy in my so just read a bunch. Nice.
Thank you.
Next target is the bandit.
It's dead too.
Got 6 and burning. See him with the passive healing.
Can I...
Oh. I don't think that's gonna die to my burn though.
I'm less than half.
Sorry.
Let's do you have healing?
No.
Oh wait, no. Zian, do you have healing?
Tapos na turn niya ata.
Okay.
Turn ng bear.
Bear, move.
Bear!
Bear! Bear!
Bear!
Little! What?
Oh shit, sorry. Ah!
What's her name again?
Little Ursa.
Letter Ursa. Can you jump on the rock, please?
By the rock. Come on.
Wait lang, sorry. Ay, kumuha ko ng tubig kasi.
Okay. Na out of turn na.
Out of turn tuloy.
It was staunchy. It was just done.
Yeah.
I didn't want to move.
Ano? Call of the Wild.
Later. Resign later. Wow.
Good.
Alright.
Good. Oh, the rock does not burn.
Oh, can you do some... Oh,
Ay, wait lang. I'll go check lang Yay! May honey na ako!
oh, nice.
Here on my rock hide.
What does honey do?
I need honey. Akin yun.
Okay.
Thank you! Thanks, honey.
I have nothing.
Wait lang, CR lang ako. Penge pa rin leather. Oh, leather na ako, yay.
Can
Okay,
you
eto, may
read
leather
me, ano mo?
scrap ako.
CR lang ako.
Rank 8. Kailangan ko na.
May leather scrap ako, by the way. Eto.
Oh, same lang pala. Me too.
Wala pa ako magagawa.
Kulang nga lang ako ng isang stinger. May stinger kay Ada. Or
No.
sa...
Pwede daw stinger. Okay, that's the word.
Oh, mga gawin.
Wait, paano mo makikita yung abilities ng animal companion mo?
Wala akong...
Oh, it doesn't tell you?
It does not?
Wala sa ability scroll down or...
Wait lang.
anything?
Summon animal companion, summon fort and animal stat damage, compatible weapon stone. Wala.
Oh,
Nature's gift.
you just have to guess.
Imbue a teammate weapon with natural energy, granting their physical attack to your fate scaling. Oh, this is for ano? Nature's gift is for less?
What?
Di ba sa'yo?
Or parang
Oh,
sino
kasi
yung-
siya magtataunt eh.
Oh, give it.
Oo.
Ah, okay. Para mas matagal siya mabuhay. Gets.
Oh. Last, basically, I'm your BA.
Basically, ikaw magtataunt, tapos
Yes.
i-heal. I-heal ka ni ano, para passive ka.
Oh.
I'm your BIS. Let's go.
Nice one. Zian, I found how to use summon spell scroll. Summon pebble.
Oh.
I'll show you on the next round.
Wait, sorry. Summon who? Pebble?
Yeah.
Yung yung nakuko dapat?
Oo.
Okay. Pero, how do you, what points do I need
Wait.
with my animal companion para maging malakas siya?
Oh, I think you just go for fate. Ano ba bang naka-upgrade sa'yo?
Fate lang, lock. There we go.
Yeah, siguro yun. Fate is your your spell ability. Ay, hindi ko pa sure kung ano yung lock. Sorry.
Sige, go. Pero, ano yung sabi ko kanina? Call of the Wild? Can you try to find what is that in the internet?
All of
Should
the
I
wild.
try? Wait lang.
Sige.
Call of the Wild. Anong pangalan ng ano na to? Game? Roblox. D&D?
An average campaign. That's not so average.
An average campaign wiki. Boon, bosses, warrior, equipment, mobs, silk tree.
Search mo.
Boon squad.
Search mo.
I can't. Wait.
Really?
I can't search it. Can you search?
Okay.
I just, what the heck? I'm a druid, right? There we go.
Yep.
Priest, druid subclass. Zealot. Hala, I kind of low-key want Zealot subclass. That's nice.
Cool.
Okay. It does not say... it really does not say. This is irritating. It's not saying. Okay, it's fine. Ready na tayo.
Wala pang information yung iba. Right?
Oh, that's me.
Gusto mo mag-rest? Marami na ba tayong problema?
Strange what? Strange. Ay, wait lang. O nga no, may problema na ba tayo? Do we need heal?
I
think so.
Because if kung pwede lang, maybe let's go to Strange Hut. Wait. Ito yung kay diba? Kay Granny?
No.
Oh no, okay. Heal tayo.
You can see Granny.
Rest for a while. Rest or train? I don't know.
Kung puno naman HP mo, pwede kang train. I don't know what train does. Maybe it gives you a stat point.
How about heal?
Regain. Some ill.
Did you...
Stuff, you're muted.
No.
Alright, ready man.
Okay. Alright. New round.
Ice cream.
Just need me and Ice Cream's kind of subclasses. Step.
Step. Ikaw na step.
Summon Sparkle!
Guys, I found out what Summon Pebble do.
Sorry, ano? What did you say?
I found out what Summon Pebble does.
Ano?
What?
Summons a pebble.
What?
What? Ang cute! Remembrance characters, let's go!
I was so confused. Like, wait, what? Why did? Oh my god! It's literally Summon Pebble, not Summon Pebbles.
Let me take on this.
Now, I'm naming this. It's a rock.
It's not just a rock. It's a pebble.
Okay, we have 3 summons.
First name It,
Yun na.
last name Sarak.
Sarak.
It's Sarak.
Do you need, wag
Wag mo na.
Walang meaning.
Yeah, no.
muna ikaw, ano.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Pebble is so slow.
I think lahat ng
Pebble
summon
need
natin
H.
ilalim. Yeah. Get it.
Ay ko muna yung ano ko, feel ko Ursa.
Sige.
Summon Pebble.
Boulder. Go attack the pixie.
Squish. Oh,
Yung ginagawa mo dito.
Go, Cheska.
Sa kanila.
Ano muna, siguro yung, actually yung spider.
Spider
Kasi spider and rat.
Yeah.
Ay, ano ba si Cheska ulit?
A brawler.
Ano nun to?
Tara, Silus, let's go.
Oo nga, no?
Lo, di ba pinatay yung rat?
Ano mo? Yeah!
Wag mo patayin yung rat. Iiba na lang.
Yeah.
There we go.
Killing the spider.
I summoned you! Little Ursa!
Block you. No! Pebble!
Pebble! Talking at the Pebble.
Hoy, nanakawan ako!
Yun lang.
Pebble!
No!
It's a rock.
I need heals.
Sino yun?
Please.
Ay, Reyna, hanap mo ba?
Yung,
Yung, ano,
nga, wala.
Let's need heals.
There's no
yung wild
information on
hunt
them.
thing?
No, sorry.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Nice.
What does it feel
Call
like it's
up
doing?
the one. I don't know. It's like it's giving
Target? Sinong tina-target?
DOT. DOT siya.
TOT? Is kanino? Enemy?
Oo, ata.
I mean, what TOT? Like, it puts something on an enemy?
Oo, it puts something on an enemy. Yun yung napansin ko.
It could either be damage on them
Kill it,
or makes them be like more susceptible to hits. Not so sure
please.
which.
Ay, heal ka ba?
Mabuhay
Teka
ka.
lang. Ako naman. Wait, I'll just give you ano. Pag-turn ko na. Teka.
Killing.
Any
The zombie.
nice.
Ano pangalan mo dito? Foxdom. I grant you, Foxdom. Oh shit. There we go.
That bear is. Little Ursa is so tanky.
Yes. Little Ursa. Wait, I'll try Call of the Wild
It's
na
on
kay
my face.
Pebble. Ayan, tinan mo, Call of the Wild.
It does something.
It does nothing.
I think that's
I don't get it.
Call of the Wild. Ah, bakit ton?
That's what I'm saying. Hello, is my mic on?
Not on!
Yeah, oo.
Ay, hindi.
Yeah, narinig kita, Les.
Wait, no, kasi if it's a
It's probably
taunt,
done.
edi dapat sa kanya.
Yes. No. Tinatot niya yung isa.
Happy one po.
Ah!
Para sa kanya yung the damage. Diba si Boothill? He taunts
Also,
you.
ano,
It's like a
yeah.
one-on-one duel.
Naka-dual state. Okay.
Yun siya. Okay. May dalawang tank tayo. Nice.
Cloud! Nabaliw ako sa cloud. Sorry.
Let's
Oh my gosh, guys. Mamaya na.
Nakuha mo?
Okay.
Hindi mo nakuha?
Nope.
Sino kumuha ng metal scrap?
Kasalita. See.
Yeah.
See how it is. Ako mag-craft dito.
Sino kailangan ng rock fragments?
Can I have it?
Sige, wait.
Oo.
Uy! Gauntlets.
Kanina to. Dexterity strength. Di yan sa akin.
Cheska? Sa'yo ba yan? Simple gauntlets? Or pinatan mo?
Pinanitan ko na.
Okay. You can sell it.
Oo. Asan? Yo! Sino kumuha?
Saka na.
Me. Oh, hindi ko magagamit. Never mind. Gauntlets pala. Oh, I can sell the sword. Okay.
Ay, hindi. Ikaw. Paano ko ikaw?
Stuff.
Paano ko siya i-install?
Sa akin nga yung rocks. I have a gemstone staff. That's in.
Oh, I need a stinger pendant. I just need... May stinger kayo?
Wala sa akin.
Wala.
Sige, sige, sige.
Ah, wait. Ito pala. Ito pala yung stinger.
Yung stinger, thank you.
Wait, how do you sell?
Mamaya, kapag merong seller.
Ah, okay.
Diyos ko, dapat madami akong silk na kailangan. I need like 10. Where do I even get silk?
From
Honestly.
spiders or baka...
And
Do you wanna hear about-
silk eh.
Yeah, do you wanna hear the supposed plot twist in Hazbin?
Sige, go.
Ano daw, si Lilith is actually
Tama. Lilith is actually Eve. Just because of
Pero-
how Eve has,
Pero- kasi
the root symbols.
so where is Lilith? It means Rosie is Lilith.
Rosie? Who's that?
Yeah.
Oh!
The cannibal.
Just kasi na to.
Saan? Monk? Monk ba
Pwede
yun?
ka na ba maging avatar?
Ah,
Sino ba walang upgrade? Si
Ako na
Reyna
lang.
lang?
fire.
Here's my question to you though. Do you want me to be an elementalist? Or a necromancer? I mean, not an
Necro.
elementalist. Bookkin. Yun sa akin, Bookkin or necromancer. Although di ko pa alam kung gaano pa katagal yan. Sorry.
Ano sabi, wait lang.
Hindi ko
Ano
na
sabi mo, Steph? Hindi kita narinig.
So si Eve, nag-disguise siya bilang Lilith para lang daw masira yung father and daughter relationship ni Harry at ni Lucifer. And para daw para daw ma-forgive yung first sin, kineme. The very first sin.
Oh, wait, may holy imbue na ako. Let's go.
Yay!
Little Arsta, I summon thee.
Pebble?
Pebble! I'm just gonna call it Pebble. Just meron kang 4 types of stance. Yung fire, water, wind, and earth. Si fire, more damage and burning sa enemy.
Oh,
Ang wind
dami!
is a bit more damage, parang fire. Tapos meron kang ang water ay a bit more damage and bibilis yung mana mo. Tapos yung wind is tataas yung dodge mo. Tapos crit tataas. Wait, in-explain ko nga.
Ay, okay.
1
Tapos
second
yung
lang.
earth, sorry. Pero tas yung earth
May
is
time limit
defense.
kasi.
Okay.
Bigat bet.
May meditation something doon. Makikita ko ba?
Possible. Judge.
Binigyan mo ako ng burn bandage. Nalagyan din ko ng burn.
Do fight the bandit.
Bite it siya.
I imagine the animation for a double attack is just him throwing himself and just bonk the enemy.
Use that.
Then going back.
Thank you. Wait, ako ba?
Nice. Yep.
Yay.
I'm gonna fireball.
Alright, I have this. What? Isa lang pwede kong yun, Sino gusto ng more defense tapos more damage? I think that's
Up
me.
to you. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Rally myself.
Lahat yan!
Oh, lahat na yan.
Give a good speech.
Bakit binigyan
speech,
ako ng
speech.
option? Everyone,
Ganun talaga.
kill them.
Nice. Damn, lakas na natin,
Ayaw ko pindot!
Yun lang. Ay, pumindot
No.
na.
Fight!
Fight? Oh no.
Ayun!
Ayun.
Naging pacifist.
Then yung
Spider!
mga attacks. Ha? Nice.
Pwede rin. Pares lang may
Oh,
boat.
turn spider. Uy, nag-revenge.
Look, napak ko. Wala na. Puno ka na bang mamamatay?
It stole money from Pebble.
Hmm.
How?
No, what?
Pebble has money.
Yeah, I know, right?
Whose turn is it? The bear.
No, man.
Super Pebble!
Pebble has money.
Apparently, Pebble killed the pixie.
Pebble, take it back.
Nice one, Pebble!
Binigyan mo siya ng allowance, Rain?
I guess.
Ay, oh shit, sorry. What's
Oh, no.
Oh, you get double it.
Wrong input. Yeah. Yeah, that healing is nice.
Wait lang.
Why are we waiting?
You want more damage boost?
What do you mean, why are we waiting?
I didn't quit.
Oh.
Paano yung pagsabay-sabayin yung ano?
Yung? I don't think so.
Ray, paano mo na-summon yung si Pebble? Tanong ko lang.
Pin-equip siya as item. Pinutin mo. Like,
Oh.
pipinutin mo siya. Like, kung paano ka mag-equip.
Kasi nagana lang ng mage ko eh.
Oh,
Ano,
ganda. Baka nga. Baka mage.
Ibig sabihin, dapat sinusuot mo yung wizard hat.
That way
Guess what? It has cloth. Someone was taking all the cloth.
Guess what? You'll all die if I don't have
Oh.
cloth.
Yeah! So, don't blame me.
Oh,
Why? Oh, what the heck was that?
Wow! Wow!
Ano yan? Oh my God.
Nagalit. Una.
To kill. Oh no.
Pinas mo si Dian.
Wait, hala, I can't press fight. What the hell?
You, na-stun ka? Check mo yung yung mga yung mga DOTs mo.
No, yung bear naman yung ano. Okay, what?
Baka may crippled siya.
Oof.
Ay, hindi na crippled data si little... Huh? Yung...
Wow.
Yung
si Ursa yung
What the heck?
thank you. What the fuck?
The heck was
You know
that?
what? Huh? Wait.
Wait,
Oh, shit.
created na si... Oh!
Disconnect siya.
Nag-disconnect!
What?
Oh, shoot.
Oh
Yun
no.
lang.
Yun, natana.
Oh?
No, the healer. Baka may rejoin.
Kaya, malapit na
Ano
tayo sa
rejoin?
8.
Oh no.
Wala ba Joy?
I don't know.
I
Try.
don't know.
Damn. Wala.
No, bakit wala akong invest points?
Wala! Oh no!
Oh, sayang may bibigay.
Boom.
I have this thing called Spell Scroll. Summon Spider.
Summoner na lahat.
Bigyan mo kay...
Wala.
Sa akin din galing ang Pebble.
No. Pwede mo bang i-equip yung yung thing
Oh wait.
sa'yo?
Actually, no, I can't.
You can't. I don't think you can then.
Wait lang, what's happening? Bakit hindi ko ma-press?
Yung?
Disconnect ka na?
Yeah, kasi wala
Yeah.
Plus,
Oh no. Can I craft leggings? Thank you.
Anyway, munod lang ako.
sige.
Saan ko ito lalagay?
Wala tayong healer.
Yun lang.
Kaya yan.
May paglalagyan ba yung spell scroll?
I-click mo. Tapos, pupunta siya sa charm mo. Kung,
Mag-ano nga tayo?
Kaya
Mag-shop
kung
tayo.
hindi, sige. Kung hindi, I believe, baka,
Hindi, wag ayaw na.
summon sa ako lang yung, ako nga.
Ikaw lang at yung summoner.
Yeah. Oh, at mine. Hold on.
You don't need this. I'll take it.
No. Max heal. Pump. I'm gonna save it. I'm ready.
Ew.
See no. Why?
Ew. Goblin ear porridge. Ew.
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 Hey, hey.
Damn,
Eh.
Ready, ready.
Kunin mo to, oh. Hello. Kunin mo to.
Where? Got it.
Nakuha mo, hindi. Okay.
Sino di pa ready dyan?
Grandma's house.
Rain, Wizard Tower.
I need it. I need it. You spot a wizard chat outside. Oh my god! Someone older than me. Well met, travelers. The wizard say with a loud shout. Have you come in search of goods to help you on your noble quest? Come, I have many to give. Oh, I love some magic goods, Mr. Wizard. Oh, okay. Perfect.
Oh,
That
tayo
wasn't it.
Ang dami.
What?
What? Ano nangyari?
That wasn't it. What?
Item na binigay.
Yeah,
Marami kang
item lang.
It's for
Ayaw na pindot ng fight.
It's fine, guys. I'm gonna be fine. Oh, it's okay.
Pinalitan mo na si Pepper.
Both Pebble and Spider. I think I can only summon one.
Ano ulit ginagawa ng wind?
Must dodge and then
Right.
crits increase.
Oh, okay. Yung water.
Two to summon Spider.
Spider.
What the heck?
Oh.
Spider has poison.
Yep, I guess so. I'm gonna attack the pixie.
After neto, mag-horror tayo.
Sige.
Baka hindi na ako.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Ano ba yung oras?
Ay, wait. Ano oras na ba?
Aga pa.
Oh, 2:30 na.
Aga pa.
2:30
Aga pa.
p.m.
Wala na akong...
Yung healer kayo.
Don't worry.
Tulog na siya.
The more characters we put on the field, the less likely we are to get hit.
Tama,
Sure,
tama.
sure.
Ah!
Ikaw siya yung magpapindot ng fight.
Ayun na naman.
Sino
no.
papapindot kung... Oh! Nag-dodge! Ano ba yan?
Hello.
Ay, pupunta daw sila dito pero hindi gumagalaw. Magte-teleport.
I'm gonna call this guy Peter.
Peter? Ah.
Tira!
That's his Parker is his
Like this. Oh, 14.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
damn. Good roll.
Yeah, kami lang nang hindi mag-aaway. Okay, nakikita
Uy,
kayo.
sumasali. May sali oh.
Half health. Siya na half health. Oh,
No.
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 I
No!
Even when he's not here, I still hear him.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Nawala yung best in slot mo, Babs.
We got fight. Oh, boy. Huwag niyo na-atakin yung Faye. Mamatay na yan next turn.
So, B...
Please, ang ganun ka.
Kaya ka ng bandit.
Be please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Na barrage.
Double punch.
Natan ko naman yung band.
What? Oh, I see. I sacrifice Peter to summon Pebble and draw 3 additional cards from my deck.
Nice. May bleed din ako. Okay,
Bandit.
bandits.
Yep.
Okay.
Ano pa naman? 0.1?
What?
I won't lie. Nagugustuhan ko nga rin tong Kaso nga lang sana mas maganda yung ritual.
It fills you with determination.
Usam ka lang yan.
Okay, I have a spell scroll here. Bakit
God
ako spell
damn it.
scroll? Nakuha ko.
What happened?
I have it. You want this?
Sure.
Ito rin din. You want this? Paparas lang.
Consuming web? What does that mean?
I don't know. Who wants honey? Oh, wala dito yung may gusto ng
Consuming
honey.
web. It's a different... It's a different thing. It's a spell. Not a summon. Damage 8.5, which is better than Flame Bolt, but it does cost 2. Damage type dark, single enemy. Scaling. Spell scroll, consuming web, cast devouring web onto the target, slowing them and dealing damage. Okay.
May stinger pendant ako dito, Zian.
Ano? Anong gagawin ko? Papasok ako?
Stinger blade. Is this a sword? Ah, dagger.
Ah, dagger lang. Yun lang.
A drill stinger knuckle. Fist type.
Wait lang
weapon type.
guys. Internet payment.
Ang cute ni Navar kapatid ni ni Eugene. Parang magkapatid.
Wala pang sword.
Oh my gosh, nandito na. Oh my gosh, they're the Landau siblings na. Let's go!
Is there any more pixie dust?
Ako meron.
Yun lang. Wala.
Spell scroll, consuming.
Wait
Ay,
lang.
wait
I
lang.
have here.
Rain,
Just one.
tanong ko lang.
Thank
Ilan
you.
yung kaya
Ito lang,
mong
thank you. Ano?
Ilan yung kaya mong spell scroll?
3 lang.
Mm.
Well, depends. Item or spell scroll. So, either spell scroll yung kukuhain ko, or an item that gives me a passive. Yep. Bye-bye, Starter. Okay. I still don't know where to get my supplies. I probably won't ever get it anymore.
Subbless ka pa kailan sobrang lakas mo na. Get my certificate.
Tapos na po. Pwede na po ba ako mag-doc?
Oh, wait.
Wala, hindi
Huwag
ako
kayo
ready.
muna
Okay.
We can go to shops now, actually. To get important items that we need.
Wala, hindi nag-ready.
May spell scroll din ako nakuha. Ring of Stingers.
Oh.
Oh my god. Is that my name?
AOV ba yan?
Okay. Beast good.
What does that do, though?
1 second.
I didn't read. Okay, we'll guess. Oh, shop. We either can scavenge or shop.
Shop.
I suggest shopping because we
Okay.
need to buy stuff. Ano yan?
Do we share money?
Yes, pwede natin i-share. Pwede mong ibigay.
Wala yung kailangan ko.
It's the goblin stuff. Potion,
I hate
spider
this.
silk,
That's scam.
spider silk, spider eye,
Ay, meron na ako yan eh.
spider ling, fist, leaves. I forgot what leaves does.
Overpriced.
Rose. Yeah, true.
Oh,
Goblin ear.
There's silk.
Spidering Andrew.
I forgot what spider silk does.
Hindi, meron na ako yan.
Nature Tome. Azian, Nature Tome needs you to have 3 cloth and 10 leaves.
Huh?
Oh, wait. Sino gagamit ng tomes? Ay, ikaw yun.
Patingin nature to.
Yung-
Patingin.
Oo. 10 cloth and then leaves.
Patingin.
Summon bunny.
God, I can summon a bunny!
Yeah.
Okay. Ulitin na natin. Go back. Go back.
Hindi niya
Wait lang.
Remove
I'm
all of
looking
your
around.
progress. Just for the
Bruh.
Wow.
Next round, may hindi na ba sa
Ready?
Alas na ako maya.
Sige.
Baka ako.
There's not.
Pwede bukas na lang.
Do you guys know?
Sige, sige.
Do you guys not sleep? Oh my god.
I
Galing
can't
pa ako sa
do
labas.
anything. Silk. I don't wanna buy anything anymore. Oh, we're
Oh,
here.
shit.
Wait, the boss.
Oh, what is this?
The mouse.
About.
Wala pang surplus yun eh.
I don't need it.
It-
May Pokemon siya. Oh, no.
Pokemon si Rain.
Yeah, better.
You know what? Okay.
Oh,
Yes. This isn't the that ain't that friendly. Let me tell you. Plus 2s.
Can attack me. Para. Okay, alam ko na gagawin ko. Yung next,
Mhm.
sa dalawang next turn.
Which is
I'm gonna block.
good idea.
Kayo na mag-attack. Good luck.
That's the best course of action, probably. It does have a OE, so sometimes we have to survive.
Lucky you with my tiny sword.
Okay.
May AOE siya? No!
Yep.
Tama, para.
Go,
there
be
you
her.
go.
Get punched.
Ooh.
Looking good, guys.
Anong ginagawa nitong water and earth?
Water is pampataas ng stamina kung kailangan mo nun. Earth is defense.
Elemental phase. Gusto ko kaya yun. So,
Oh
Sige.
my god, meron ng ano. May
Oh, elemental
ask for one
phase.
final thing.
I'm guarding.
Nice.
Yeah.
May DPS natin eh.
si Tainari.
Sige. Oh,
Ba't siya nagbabaw?
Oh, there it is.
Ah,
Rar.
He went roar.
rar.
Get some healing.
3 rounds pa.
Mag-wait ka.
Wait,
Mga bukas pa.
Ayun lang yung nagawa.
After 3 cycles,
wait.
very siren.
Friend ba siya sa akin?
This is my personal Sirene. Dapat pala
Ah.
ako yung name ko sa Sirene.
Don't know.
Ha?
Siguro may cooldown yung taunt.
You know, I'm the Siren technically. Because I have the biggest ano,
Go
I
your
have the biggest
highest,
summon.
Get it.
I have the biggest summon. Yes, yes.
Go, Stephanie, go. Go, go, go.
4 or 5 daw sila mapupunta.
Yun lang.
Not for the wicked.
Jersey.
Can you survive 3 more turns?
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Thank
I mean, no.
Peter!
Please, survive for me, please. You're doing good.
Peter, you're the best.
You must resist. Web attack,
Spider,
go.
go! Oh, nice. Elemental Pisto.
A
15
mage?
lang.
I'm a spider mage.
Okay, how many? What? Ano yun?
10 yan.
10.
10.
Kalma.
3 points yung kinain sa akin, tapos 10 lang.
Sa akin nga din, 15 lang katulad ng skill ko. Tapos 4 yung sa amin na kailangan. Ano kaya yun?
Saan pwede manood ng anime?
I got Rain of Sticker.
Hi.anime.to.
Stinger.
Hi,
Ano?
Rain of Sticker.
anime.
Hi.anime.to.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Okay, magtatap na ulit.
Spider bite. Poison it.
Damn, 8 na yung
Oh.
poison, no?
Kaya nga eh, the more poison na nasa enemy, the higher the damage.
Oh, that's it.
And then nagtitik by 1 minus every turn niya. So the poison should do like, what? 10 damage na? Or 8?
Ayaw nga pala natin na pala kayo dun.
I can tank it.
Wala siya.
What are you doing?
I can take it. Kasi mamatay na siya bago ako mag-turn ulit.
Fireball.
Kaya ba na?
5.5.
Spider.
Okay.
Oh god.
Oh!
Sinapak-sapak. You might wanna... Okay. Kailangan next heal sa kanya. Sa'yo, Seth.
No, I can still tank this.
There, go!
No.
Sure.
Patay na yan.
Peter! Go, Peter!
Ah, okay.
Hmm.
Kulang
Si
ako
point.
ng isang
4 lang yung inano.
point.
Iba-iba rin yung effects niyan eh. Yung Fire Fist burning. Yung Water Fist is something. I think may crit siya. So pag di ka nag-crit, sayang.
Patay na
Oh.
yan. Patay na yan. Dead.
He's dead!
Go! 14 na
Die.
lang. Go!
Go die! What? Hey!
Yay!
Kanta maki.
Alright.
Okay, I leave now.
Oh, tapos na?
Hindi pa. Meron pang next. Les, pwede kang gumawa ng sword sa gamit ng ano mo.
What?
Dominating soul.
Oh, you're right.
I'm
Gives
gonna
you a
leave now.
ton.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ooh! Ito, kailangan ko talaga giant. Ganda ko.
Ay, dapat pala transfer ko yung gamit ko.
Okay lang yun.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What? No investment.
Bigay ko to sa'yo, Les. You can get a chest plate.
A giant finger necklace.
Chest plate, kung gusto mo necklace or chest plate, isa dun. Like, yan, sa'yo talaga. I don't have a chest piece or a legging. Can someone provide something for
Bakit ako may negative 10 dex?
yun
What?
yung ano, kasama sa ability.
Need ko ba na
Dex just means you're slower. Sige, sabihin ko. For chest piece, either any
na stat?
siguro any rats or scraps.
Oh.
Kahit next time, hindi naman ako madalas inatake siguro. Okay, we have no heals and we have a dream. Guys ready?
Ilan rat hide mo? May isa ako.
May 4 ako.
Oh,
I need
5.
5 ba?
Para sa chest piece.
Oh, yes. Sige, yun na lang. Pahingi.
Go.
Thank
Ayan
you.
na si Stash. Stash.
Okay. Ma-asenso, guys. I'm ready.
Ay, wala akong invest.
Alright. Hindi tayo nag-level up.
Listener, Knights
Shopping
Caroline.
stuff. Pagsugarin mo.
So, ito na ito.
Mm.
No. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Shopping stop is just buy. I gotta. I don't need it. Pili kayo kung anong gusto niyo talaga.
Paano kung nag-iisa-isa?
Eh di 50-50, parang ganun.
Ah!
I took it. Okay.
Hmm.
Di ba ako
You find a
nakakapag-ano
prison
eh?
cell in a desolate part of the region. It's old and locked tight. Take a better look. The prisoner. Hey there. A voice from within the cell says, excited to make itself known. Have you come to finally let me free? I've waited long enough, haven't? How long have you been here? You look
Di ba nga namamatay sa horror eh?
Far too long, my boy. Must release me. Leave the creature to his eternal prison. Oh. That's so sad.
Oo.
He says, my boy.
Oh,
Oh, he just left him. Oh, no.
30, 55, 42.
Okay. We got this, guys.
I don't know. Kill the zombie engineer. What?
The engineer.
Sila may profession, yung zombie wala.
Think way of buying.
Aya.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako nagtata. Whoa.
Damn.
Oh my god. Chop it up.
And I got lead. Nice.
Wow, wow.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Yikes.
Kada. Peter.
Peter, go.
Peter, Biden.
Ryan, do something. I don't know. Do whatever.
No.
Oh. What? No! What?
B-E-B-B-L-E.
Wait, paano pag pinatay natin yung summoner?
That's what I'm gonna try.
May summoner sa kanila. Si ano?
Engineer.
Engineer? Oh! Oh, kala ko ang baba ng okay.
I'm gonna die, by the way.
Probably. Don't taunt.
Yes.
Kill the engineer.
That was so low.
Okay. Ito. Goblin Engineer.
Oh, bug.
No, nandito pa rin siya.
Oh my god.
Sino?
Yung ano, Pebble. PBB.
Si B-E-B-B-L-E.
P.B.B. Ali.
What does that mean?
Katonk.
Patayin si P-E-B-B-L-E.
Hold down. You know what? Sorry.
Hindi na ako. Nag-taunt ka?
Nag-guard. Patay mo.
Dapat ako mag-guard din ako.
Guys, wala kong nangyari pag lahat
Okay. P-E-B-B-L-E. Uh-oh.
That's dangerous.
Uh-oh. PEBBLE, please wag ako. Si PEBBLE.
Si PEBBLE.
Parang hindi naman pinito.
Oh.
10.
Kill.
Kulang pa ako isa.
Mm.
Dapat ba mag-guard ako or mag-strike?
Up to you.
Please wag ako.
That's
Okay.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank
Thank you for your service.
we will remember you.
So that, yeah. Kita niyo ko sa likod. I'm tired. I'm gonna die. Hell. Oh, that's that.
Does someone want to make a porridge?
Porridge?
Yeah.
Saan yun?
Ew.
Yung sa pinakababa. Goblin air porridge for heal.
Huh?
Pinakababa ng crafting.
Uy, wala ako. Please?
Unless you have Dragonite?
No.
No.
Dragonite, meron ako dito, nasa kama.
Oh! Sige. Looking around for craftable stuff.
Oh! Bring up goblin ears. Kailangan ko ng goblin ear. Diba? May isa ako. Okay.
Wala pa, dalawa sa akin.
I have nothing by the way.
What do you mean?
Akong great sword, iron chest plate, rat hide boots, tapos isang metal scrap. At hindi ko pa yung nalagay ko sa
Dragonite.
Got nothing.
Oh!
Don't have items. We just go until we die, I guess.
Go.
Guess I'll die. Niwan tayo ng party. Betrayal.
Oh! Oh! Dominating soul. Oh! I think Dragonite chip. Still. Asan ako dun sa likod? Gusto niyo ba mag-rest, guys?
Pwede.
I'm less than half.
Same.
Thought you were less. Maybe less than half. Okay, that was a nice break. Like how we took a break in the trees while we're in the dungeon. That is slime.
Ayun naman agad. Oo, ako pala.
I think it's a slime. And that is that holding us. So,
Kobold.
Do I stunt that time?
I don't know. I don't think it's good for you to taunt anymore.
No, I have health.
Chicken. Okay.
But hindi ko alam kung sino mas delikado. So...
That's crazy.
Jello. Slime.
Slime muna.
What?
Oh! Ayun.
Ow.
Ow, yikes.
Yeah, testing out sa slime. So, hit anyone.
So, kung mag-ano ng meditative aura, so, start muna. Kanino. Cobalt Warrior. Ano ba naman yan?
Babawasan ko yung pinakamaraming health. Yeah, may quit.
Nice.
Spider.
Parang...
Peter, go! Blue.
Nice.
Okay, attack si Peter, please.
Four stacks of poison. I think this is the end.
Right,
Oh no, Peter!
don't go near me, please.
Ugh.
Dirty.
I don't feel so good.
Oh, what does this do?
Oh, may 3 points ka na.
Meditative aura. Pwede kong ibigay sa inyo? Anong ginagawa nito siya sa akin?
Oh, no.
Hindi mo binasa?
Hindi mo binasa yung skills mo.
Ah, hindi. Sa akin.
Ayun.
Oh,
Oh, heal! Pati kayo na heal.
Oh my god, we have a chance! Survive!
die, slime.
Yeah. Okay, I can just hit the slime. Ouch. That.
Kailangan ko nga lang ng
Kidding
3 para doon.
Ay.
No!
Oh, 3
Ouch!
damage plus.
Oh,
Ouch! Oh
Gonna
no!
be on 1.
guys, don't leave me.
Maybe there's no such a thing as that.
Wala, bakit hindi
Maybe
ako
I'm gonna
nag-nerf?
die. I think na-stun ka.
Lu!
Guys,
Oh, immobilize!
I'm afraid I might die this turn because of the DOT. Because it's the bleeding is gonna kill me with 3. And then the poison's gonna deal like 2 damage.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ow.
Oh.
Still good.
Nice.
Kill the slime.
Hey, we killed the slime. That's good.
Ah!
I just need to not die by a single hit of someone.
Ah! No!
You and Yoko, don't leave me.
Ah!
Don't leave me.
Zombie.
Go.
Ah! Kill the zombie. Okay. Ano yung pinatay si zombie?
Patay na siya. Ah, hindi ko siya patay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. He's zombie. Go. He's the zombie.
Oops.
Oh no.
Ah! Goodbye.
This is the end.
This is the end of our journey. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Goodbye.
Sinampal ng moon. Ah.
Ah,
Oh,
25.
Sino mataas na dami
Oh.
si Hotdog? Oh, you tanked more than me. Ay,
Ano ang
hindi.
ginagawa sa mga green things?
What is that?
No, No, that's your
Oh,
pet.
skill.
Okay, yung pet mo yun.
Okay. Makes sense. I'm gonna upgrade my skill tree. Ooh.